So, ayan siya guys. Oh. So, meron siyang ganito guys. Yan. So now guys, we have another package, and this item is for my camera and also for my batteries, my vlogging equipment. So this item is worth nasa 900 plus. So yung binili ko is large. Oh, so hindi siya naka talaga ng box. So hindi siya guys naka-box guys, naka-styro lang siya. Okay lang din kasi bag naman siya eh. And guys, here's our EOS. So we need to open it. Yan. I'm not sure if original siya from EOS. So, ayan siya guys. Oh. So, meron siyang ganito guys. Yan. Parang umalis ka, then meron siya ditong parang tape para hindi siya gaanong malus. And then there are two pockets in the front, tapos in the back meron ding one big pocket. Ayan. Let's see inside anong meron. Oh. So I can see na hindi siya original nang galing ng EOS. Oh, sa loob guys, meron siyang parang ganito pero pwede mo siyang kunin. Ayan. And then inside, you just put your camera. The size nito is large. Yung laptop ko si 13 inches. Para hindi siya makakasya. Kasya siya, pero pag ganun, ayan. So, siguro yung makakasya lang dito is yung iPad na 11 lang talaga. Ayan guys, thank you for watching.
I got deja vu. When I saw you at a table at a road spot set for two. With that look in your eye when you smile like you always do. But this time it wasn't me that was sitting there next to you.